RiseCup. Today I will be showing you guys how to instantly and easily get Discord members. Now, as we know, getting members can be pretty challenging, but with this method, it's as easy as playing Adventure Capitalist. So yeah, let's get into it. Now, what you're gonna have to do, and ignore the fact that Chica and Mangler are staring into my soul. And yes, I know there's barely any people on my server, but we can easily fix that with a website called Join4Join. Now, see, what you need to do is you need to write join4join.xyz, whatever browser you're using. So join4join.xyz, and then after that, you are here at the home screen. Then you click on this. I'm already logged in. See, I can log out, but here, I'll just show you guys. But see, like this is what it should look like when you first get in. Then you click Get Started. Okay, you arrive here. Okay, give it a second, and click Authorize. And don't worry, we'll not do anything bad to you. And see, now I'm logged back in. Now, what you're gonna have to do, so it's called Join4Join for a reason, because you join servers and it gives you members. So each time you join a server, it gives you these things called coins, and coins allow you to get members. The more coins you got, the more members you get. So let's join some servers, shall we? Okay. See, we just received 70.75. Oh, and bop. Plus, this is my alt account, so I can join all the servers I want. And see, we have 3. Now, I'm going to stay with 3. You could do more. Doesn't really matter. But either way, you could. After that, what you're going to have to do is click Manage. This is very important if you want members. So you click Manage. Okay, so yeah, this is my server. So this here is the server that I want to advertise. So now you click Buy Members. So okay, so the basic concept of how this works is that each coin equals 1 member, and 3 coins obviously would equal 3 members. So, and basically what it does, you're not exactly buying members, you're buying an advertisement, which will advertise your server on different servers, which will allow people to join your server. So here we go, let's write 3. Oh, my bad. And then you click Save. Also, do not forget to add the bot. Adding the bot is very important. Add the bot to your server, because otherwise this will not work. Okay, so just also do not give it an administrator under any circumstances. And click I'm human. And yes, this is and then you wait. Now here's the catch. This should take about from 0 to 20 minutes for it. Well, it also depends how many members you want, but normally for each 5 members you invite usually takes half an hour. But this always usually works. This always usually works and always invites members to your server. So yes, this is you just wait now, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and leave a like, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.